Welcome to the Keyboard Depth Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs on the function band circuit. Today we are Family by Sister Sledge from the 1979 album of the same name. The song is written by Bernard Edwards and Nile Rodgers and has become one of the great anthems of the late disco era. In this video we will focus on the piano, which was played by the American session keyboard player Robert Sabino. The song is in A major. As always, a song arrangement and chord sheet will be in the description box below. Very much a feel tune this. It's easy to play, but you'll never play it the same way twice. Here's a quick guide on how I would do it.